Yeah, and with Nandishwara, it was different because it was in Purna Chandra Auditorium. I think it was Shivaratri, if I'm not wrong. And I was hoping that he would come again and he would be giving darshan and he'll be in front of me when I'm singing, but he was not. The whole entire bhajan he was not, and when I sang, he didn't come. And uh, and life went on, and many years later, when internet happened and all of that, uh, one day I was sitting and looking at some videos, and in that I see it's a Swami's darshan video. Those days, they used to put the darshan videos every now and then. So when I saw that, I think in the 2000s, I saw, and in the darshan video, in the background, the music is going on, bhajan is going on, and it is Nandishwara and it is my voice. So somebody must have, either, I don't know if they just took the audio and then put it along with the video and it was showing up, or I don't know whether it was the actual live that day where I was singing, but he was actually outside. I don't know. But it was a very, it was an experience, because in my mind, I was thinking, when I was singing, I was thinking that, Swami, I'm waiting for you here. Where are you? So when I saw this video, for me it felt like, okay, if it is not like a cut and paste kind of a video, if it was live, then there was my answer that, okay, I was there outside helping other people while you were singing. So maybe that was, it was, so I don't know, it was just a fun experience with this song.
Yes,
I'll
sister.
sing the bhajan first, and then I'll have you read the lyrics,
Okay.
and then we'll go with the meaning. Meaning is very easy for this one. It's just namasmarana, and then we'll go one by line.
Okay, sister.
Okay. Nandishwara, he nataraja. Nandishwara, he nataraja. Nandatmaja, Harinarayana. Nandatmaja, Harinarayana. Narayana, Harinarayana, Narayana, Sai Narayana. Nagabharana, Namah Shivaya. Nagabharana, Namah Shivaya. Nadaswarupa, Namo Namo. Nadaswarupa, Namo Namo. Narayana, Harinarayana. Narayana, Harinarayana. Okay. So Nandishwara is, again, the Nandi is there in front of Shiva, right? So that's basically talking. He's the Ishwara of Nandi. So Nandishwara. Hey, Nataraja again is the dancing Shiva, Nataraja. Nandatmaja Hari Narayana. And Narayana, Hari Narayana is again, Nagabharana is again, how Shiva wears the snake as a garland, right? So Nagabharana Namah Shivaya, Nada Swarupa. So he is also the uh, embodiment of Nada, which is the sound, right? So Nada Swarupa Namo Namo. So that is the lyrics over here. Let's go with the bhajan now. Nandishwara, he Nataraja.
Nandishwara, he nataraja.
Nandishwara, he Nataraja.
Nandishwara, he nataraja.
Nandatmaja, Harinarayana.
Nandatmaja, Harinarayana.
Nandatmaja, Harinarayana.
Nandatmaja, Harinarayana.
Narayana, Harinarayana.
Narayana, Harinarayana.
Narayana, Sai Narayana.
Narayana, Sai Narayana.
Nagabharana, Namah Shivaya.
Nagabharana, Namah Shivaya.
Nagabharana, Namah Shivaya.
Nagabharana, Namah Shivaya.
Nadaswarupa, Namo Namo.
Nadaswarupa, Namo Namo.
Nadaswarupa, Namo Namo.
Nadaswarupa, Namo Namo.
Na Nadaswarupa, Namo. That note. Namo Namo.
I'll try, sister.
You can try. You will get it. You're almost there.
Okay. Nadaswarupa, Namo Namo.
Namo Namo.
Namo Namo.
Let's do it one more time.
Okay.
Namo Namo.
Namo Namo.
One more time. Namo Namo.
Namo Namo.
From the beginning. Nadaswarupa, Namo Namo.
Nadaswarupa, Namo Namo.
Narayana, Harinarayana.
Narayana, Harinarayana.
Narayana, Harinarayana.
Narayana, Harinarayana.
Nandishvara, He Nataraja.
Nandishvara, He Nataraja.
Nandatmaja, Harinarayana.
Nandatmaja, Harinarayana.
Narayana, Harinarayana.
Narayana, Harinarayana.
Nagabharana, Namah Shivaya.
Nagabharana, Namah Shivaya.
Nadaswarupa, Namo Namo.
Nadaswarupa, Namo Namo.
Narayana, Harinarayana.
Narayana, Harinarayana.
Narayana, Harinarayana.
Narayana, Harinarayana.
Nandishvara, He Nataraja. All right. So where are we? So let's just okay. All right. So let's work on the landing notes. So especially with this raga, right? That wherever it is ending is the beauty. Like Nandatmaja Harinarayana. That is the beauty of this raga. Narayana, Narayana. We can just go Narayana. It's still in tune, but if you go Nandatmaja Harinarayana, then it's very melodic. Narayana, that give it that little bit of that push, like Narayana, Hari Narayana. So just work on the all the nas like Narayana and the landing notes. Then you should be good. If you just just another thing that you it would be good to do is find out what raga it is, and then listen to all of that raga Hindustani music or Carnatic music.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm not 100% again sure about, because I'm not Carnatic trained nor Hindustani trained.
Even okay,
I'm not
but
any
I'm
musician.
Hindustani. Yeah.
So if we can both do the homework, like if you can find out what raga this is,
Okay,
and
sister.
then if you listen to more of this raga from Hindustani genre and everything, like either sitar or maybe even Pandit Jasraj or somebody, then you would get to know more about that raga without even doing much, except just listening. You will get that raga will stay in the mind.
They have given this Puriya Dhanashri.
Purya Dhanashri,
Yeah.
yeah. And is Purya Dhanashri also Shubha Bantu Varali in
Ah,
Carnatic?
yes,
Okay, that's
Pantuvarali.
what I thought it
Pantuvarali.
was. Okay,
Yes,
okay,
yes,
all right.
yes.
Yeah. So if we listen to more of these, then especially if you are going to lead this bhajan, say in the evening, then all day if you listen to Shubha Bantu Varali, right? Or Shubha, this one, Purya Dhanashri, then it'll stay. You will be in that zone.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
then automatically your voice will do it, with little practice.
Sure,
So
sure, sister.
I'm
Yeah.
just sharing what I do.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's right or
Right.
wrong. I just
It will really help me. Thank you. Mm.
yeah. So yeah, would you like to lead and I'll follow?
Okay, but I'm just going to try, sister.
Yeah, yeah. We are all here trying only. Nobody's perfect.
Yeah.
Okay.
नन्दीश्वरा हे नटराजा
Nandishwara, he nataraja.
नन्दीश्वरा हे नटराजा
Nandishwara, he nataraja.
नन्दात्मजा हरिनारायणा
नन्दात्मजा हरिनारायण.
नन्दात्मजा हरिनारायणा
नन्दात्मजा हरिनारायण.
नारायणा हरिनारायणा
नारायण हरिनारायण.
नारायणा साई नारायणा
नारायण साई नारायण.
नागाभरणा नमः शिवाय
नागाभरण नमः शिवाय.
नागाभरणा नमः शिवाय
नागाभरण नमः शिवाय.
नादस्वरूपा नमो नमो
नादस्वरूप नमो नमो.
नादस्वरूपा नमो नमो
नादस्वरूप नमो नमो.
नारायणा हरिनारायणा
नारायण हरिनारायण.
नारायणा साई नारायणा
नारायण साई नारायण.
नन्दीश्वरा हे नटराजा
दीश्वरा हे नटराजा.
नाग्नध्वजा sorry नादात्मजा हरिनारायण.
Okay, what we'll do is we'll go to the last line and do
Okay.
it again. Narayana Hari Narayana. Okay, let's do the slow one. Narayana Hari Narayana. Narayana Sai Narayana. So people will follow that. Then again you will do it second time. Narayana Sai Narayana. Then people will follow. After that is when you will pick up the speed. So the last line is twice, right? So
Yes, yes.
let's do that practice now.
Okay.
Do Narayana Sai Narayan. Start from there.
Okay. Narayana Sai Narayana.
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 Nandishvara He Nataraja.
Nandishvara He Nataraja.
Nandatmaja Hari Narayana.
Nandatmaja Hari Narayana.
Narayana Hari Narayana.
Narayana Hari Narayana.
Nagabharana Namah Shivaya.
Nagabharana Namah Shivaya.
Nadasvarupa Namo Namo.
Nadasvarupa Namo Namo.
Narayana Hari Narayana.
Narayana Hari Narayana.
Narayana Hari Narayana.
Narayana Hari Narayana.
Nandishvara He Nataraja.